What if I told you the way you are right now could be the key to your success? What's going on, world? It's Dom. I'm here to talk to you today about making your personality work for you. Now, I'm no psychiatrist, but I do have a strong desire to maximize my strengths. So I did like hours of work, and I think I've came up with some things to help get you started. So let's go ahead and start now. Hey, I got a contest where I buy one of you guys lunch, so you want to stick around and just see the details of that in the video. Hey, you know you're unique, right? Yeah, you. But you won't be able to take advantage of that if you don't know what makes you unique. So listen, there's been a lot of experts that's done tons of years of research into breaking down the main personality traits. Now, all these smart people did all the hard work, so why don't we take advantage of it? Feels like a school group project all over again. So there's plenty of online personality tests that you can take to kind of figure out your personality. Now, the one that I'm using for this video is going to be the most popular one and the most recommended one by experts at this time. And it's going to be called the Big Five. And the way that the Big Five works is it uses 5 main personality traits, and it's a questionnaire, and based on your score on the questionnaire, it'll let you know the characteristics of your personality. It'll let you know which of these traits is the biggest in shaping what your personality is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link the website in the description where you can go ahead and take it. It only takes about 10 minutes, so no worries there. Just so you can see all the things that you can do with those results and kind of how to interpret it. I'll let you see my results. But before we get into this, if you're finding any value in this content, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow really quickly. Okay, guys, as you see here, I got my score. And right off the bat, you see the biggest trait for me is open to experience. So that's the biggest trait that shapes my personality. So when we go a little bit further into it and we look into the breakdown, it shows us a really cool feature where it shows you just some characteristics you might have on the low side and on the high side. The left side showing traits on the low side, the right side showing traits on the high side. So since I scored high on here, 72%, if we look on the right side, just to name a few of those things that we see here, my personality tends to be more open-minded, more experimental, prefers a creative, conceptual problem solving. So those are just some things that can kind of help guide you towards what helps really make you you, and just seeing how you can use those strengths to benefit you, whether it's going to be in making friends, your love life, your career, anything. Just knowing these things is that much more of a benefit to you and could benefit someone else just learning how you work. Now, as you see, this is a powerful tool. It's going to give you a lot of things that you can work with. So something to keep in mind with your personality test results is based on how you perceive yourself as well. So if you're not 100% objective, it can kind of skew the results. So something to make sure is as accurate as possible. Along with the test, when you take it, have a friend or a loved one that knows you pretty well, have them take it on your behalf too. So that way you can kind of find that middle ground and get a better reading of those results. Now with this, they do have an option to pay for a more detailed report. Normally I don't be trying to pay for stuff like that. For this video, I did go ahead and pay for it. It's really broken down. I'm really actually glad that I did, but I'm not going to tell you to do it if money is tight. But if you're using this for personal growth and development, I paid at the time, I don't know if it was a special, but less than $20. What's $20, especially to people that go out to the club and spend X amount of money on drinks? That's just a general view, just to get you going in the right path. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break this up into segments, and I'll go ahead and make another video at another time. Right now, I wanna talk to you about the contest. Hopefully you just didn't skip there to hear the contest. So with this contest, all you really have to do, just comment on the video. Let me know what you think. If you want a part 2, or if there's anything else you want to cover. But yeah, just drop that comment. This is some of the content that I do on this channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.